You're fucking, where we at?
Houston.
In Texas, in Houston, Texas, with my homie,
Yes.
right? I've known you for how long, bro?
Going on 4.5 years, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
4.5 years. Okay, so what, like, just say whatever you want to say.
Well, let's just say this. I mean, you know, I had known Phil for about 4 years because of our prior, you know, company that we was both a part of. And to be honest with you, the amount of people that I personally enrolled myself within this past company, you know, I can say I've made less than $1,000 within those 4 years. You know what I'm saying? And
how much effort did you place?
I put in a lot of effort for 4 years. You know, and literally within 3 days, I've made almost $1,000 within 1 week. Within, you know, just through learning the skill, you know, just learning how to trade and whatnot, and just, you know, just getting it done, man. And you got to cut this one out. But yeah, bro, it's mind-boggling. It's insane. The fact that I'm just excited and I want to put other people on. Like, I'm excited as fuck because I'm actually showing these people, like, yo, look at this shit. Like, I can show you. Matter of fact, let me get into trading within 10 minutes. Let me show you what's possible and whatnot. So I'm excited because I don't even know what's to come. I just know some good things that come with this. So, you know, respect the process. Be patient.
Yeah.
Be patient. Trust me. You make a lot of money when you be patient.
Yeah.
Wait on the trade. Wait on the market to do its thing.
That's good.
That's about it.
Dope. Yo, you know, I was thinking the entire time, like, as you were saying this shit, I'm like, yo, this fucking kitchen, your kitchen, like, I don't know, like, in 1 year or in 2 years, like, where you gonna be at, bro, is gonna be, I don't even know, but I'm excited.
Yeah, bro.
Thank God.
And I'm still learning.
Yeah.
So the fact that you just showed me this now, I can definitely make better decisions on when to jump in and out of a trade because it makes sense, you know, rather than me just, you know, jumping in the trade and just being patient and let the market go up and down. You know, I probably be better just by, you know, just jumping in when it's in a position of a sale and just letting it do its thing. So
Yeah.
yeah, bro.
This is exciting.
Yeah.